What are you playing? Am I trying to scare you? You're overthinking it. Meanwhile, Miss Hunter didn't even notice me when I was this close. Oh, your lack of vigilance is worrying. You're that eager to shut me up. Oh, you're gonna need more than just your hands, kitten. Oops. Guess you lost. Sorry for interrupting your game. But I remember an hour ago someone promised to go to bed early, starting today. Don't tell me you've forgotten. What? You were playing a sleep aid game. You play a game to help you fall asleep. This is the first time I've heard of it. Looks like someone's trying to pull the wool over my eyes. Why are you giving this to me? I'm not interested in these little games. Oh. You want me to try it so you can prove your innocence. All right. We can do that. Scoot over. Come here. Rest your head on my arm. Let's play it together. Now then, shall we get started? One sheep walks over here, and then you just count them. Well, there are two now. Sheep number 3. So, the whole point of this game is to count sheep? I believe you, yes, it is a sleep aid game. After all, it's boring enough to make anyone fall asleep. How many have we counted? It's not that I'm unfocused. Your hair is tickling my neck. Yes, it tickles. Only a little, though. Do you need me to help you tame this unruly hair of yours? Isn't this the collarbone necklace I gave you? My taste is pretty good, I guess. It's very pretty. Nothing. I just thought the spot was very enticing. It tastes just as I imagined it to be. I wonder what this will taste like. What? How many sheep are there now? You're still concerned about them. Looks like I haven't gotten your undivided attention yet. I don't like you being so far away from me. Come closer. Let's cuddle. You think it's too warm? To be honest, it can get even warmer than this. Huh? Oh, we lost. A wolf snuck in because I wasn't focused on counting the sheep. Yeah, all of them were eaten. How do you think those sheep were eaten? Like this. Or like this. I take back what I said about the game. It does have some redeeming qualities. For instance, it's very realistic. Where are your eyes going? Honestly, I don't think you need to get your phone back. If you want a sleep aid, I can fulfill that role. A sheep can't escape if it's trapped under the covers. So, is this little lamb prepared? A wolf is coming.